Do you want to find these trades? Watch the next 3 minutes. I will show you how to trade the currently very bearish crypto market with 3 basic indicators. Let's get started. I am using this strategy on Bitcoin on the 5-minute chart, but even 1 minute works fine for this. Go to indicators and search for moving average. Make sure you get this one. Click on the settings and change the length to 20. Go into style and make it a thick white line. Next, search for moving average exponential. We want this one. Click on the settings and change the length to 20. Go into style and make it a thick yellow line. Once again, open the indicators and search for RSI trends. Make sure you get this one. Change the upper band to 80. Lower band to 20. Length to 2. We are now ready for signals. When the yellow line crosses the white line, it is an indicator for a trend switch. If the yellow line crosses over the white line, we expect the market to go up. Next, we confirm that the RSI line is below 20. An RSI below 20 means the market is oversold, so we know this is a good buy entry. I am going for a 0.5% stop loss and 1% take profit, but you can change these values. We hit our target. For a sell signal, the white line needs to cross above the yellow line. Next, the RSI must be above 80, so the candle must be green. This entry is a valid sell signal. Same stop loss and take profit for this one. While we wait for the trade to play out, take your time and hit that like button. Let's look at one more signal. Here is something you can use to make even more with this strategy, especially in the current bearish crypto market. When your trade hits your take profit, you only close half your trade. You will let the other half run and change the stop loss to your entry price. This way, if you hit your new stop loss, you are still break even. But as you can see, a trade like this has very big potential to become a big winner. That's all for today. If you like my content, I would appreciate a like and subscribe. It really helps me create future content. Thanks for watching. See you next time.